very excited to officially start the Rakia course with you guys, training with me the Rakia method. Our first step in the Rakia course on the way to success is setting a goal. And it has two main reasons for the step is important. One, a cognitive reason. When we set a goal, we set our mind towards focus and clear targets. We can start thinking on the right direction we want to go to. Second, a motivational reason. Once we set a goal, we immediately begin to motivate ourselves into action, and it has 50% of contribution to actually reaching the goal. But what is the difference between a goal and a vision or a big dream? Well, goal is the practical way to establish a real thing, and it can be part of the dream come true plan. Also, the goal must be measurable and specific. And in our course, we are going to pick two specific and measurable goals we can achieve and see the progress as well during our program. So today we are not going to do physical training, but we are going to train our mind to setting goals. You're going to choose two main goals you're going to complete. One is a running goal, a distance or a competition you want to achieve as challenge by choice. You pick your own challenge you're going to complete. The biggest competitor is ourselves, and we are going to win ourselves. The second goal you're going to choose is a personal life goal, a short or a long-term goal in any field you want, business, relationship, health. By the end of the course, you are going to achieve the running goal, and you will have the tools to achieve your life personal goal. Today's task is